Hi everyone, Marin here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm celebrating my dear friend Anne-Laure, aka Art of Albara on Instagram. It's been a year since she joined this social media, so to celebrate this 1 year anniversary, she organized a massive hop on Instagram with a whole bunch of crafters and a super cool giveaway. I will talk more about that in a second, but first let's check out the Learn Fun supplies I used on today's card. Virtual friends for the computer, mouse and loading sign, critters from the past for the egg and leaves, Rawsome for the baby dinos and volcano, critters down under for the group of leaves, hey there for the egg, you're just my type for the desk and light, then Sweet Dan for the open book and pile of books, on the beach for the seashells and parasols post that I will use as shelves, Christmas dreams for the clock and cat, May are you doing for the bed, bicycle built for you for the girl, ocean shelfie for the camera, dad plus me for the hat, and wood grain backdrop. And for the dies, I used the reveal wheel, the square add-on and the rectangle window, Finlay's ABCs, and the strip die from Picket Fence. So about this hop, it's a hop on Instagram, so you will find all the crafters that are taking part in this hop under my post on Instagram. The link to my page is right below the video, so go and click on it. And go to my post to check all the amazing people. And under my post, you will also find the rules for the giveaway. And one last thing, the theme for this hop was create a scene. So I took one of my latest cards as an inspiration to create today's card. I'm sure you noticed it, but this card was inspired by the space room I shared recently. And today I went with a dinosaur theme for this room. The little girl wants to be an archaeologist when she grows up, and she's busy doing her homework about the Stegosaurus. As always, I stamped the images on 80-pound Nina Solar White cardstock using jet black ink. I cut them all using the coordinating dies and then colored everything using my alcohol markers. When everything was colored, I created the screens for the computer. I cut a wheel out of Nina cardstock and placed the rectangle template on top. At that moment, I couldn't find my 3 rectangle template, so I just used the 2 rectangle one to mark 3 screens on the wheel using a pencil. So I traced 3 rectangles and then put the wheel in my MISTI tool to stamp additional images. On the first screen, I stamped a loading logo. On the second one, I stamped an egg and some leaves. And on the third one, I stamped the scale part of the Stegosaurus, because for her presentation, the little girl has to concentrate on the physical aspects of this dinosaur, and then off screen, I colored those images using the same color palette as before. Next, I created the room to set my scene and started by stamping a wood texture on a piece of peacock cardstock using a similar ink to get a tone-on-tone effect. So I totally covered that piece of paper with wood texture, and then I cut a square reveal wheel panel as well as a small rectangle out of it to create the wall of the bedroom. To ground the scene, I cut a piece of light khaki green dotted cardstock using the reveal wheel square die again, and to finish that floor nicely, I cut a strip out of the same paper. Next, I assembled the different elements. I cut a small circle using a die from the reveal wheel die set and put a brad in the center of it. Placed the brad into the reveal wheel at the back of it. I flipped the wheel over and attached 2 mm foam squares on the white circle. I removed the backing paper and then placed the wheel behind my peacock panel, making sure to align one of the screens with the rectangle window. And I pressed onto another peacock square panel to attach the wheel only on that panel. I added a bunch of 2 mm foam squares all around the wheel, and then placed my peacock wood panel on top to finally complete the interactive part of the card. Next, I attached all the pieces to complete the scene, starting with the floor, and then all my cute images using liquid glue and glue dots. Once everything was attached, I stuck my reveal wheel panel on a dark yellow dotted panel that I stuck on a sunflower card base. And then I created my sentiment with the words "Wish Big" in capital letters. I cut the letters 2 times, one time out of shimmer khaki green cardstock and one time out of noble fur cardstock. I layered the letters and then stuck the words right below my little scene. The final step was to add an arrow on the right side to tell the recipient of the card how to use it. I also added highlights on the images using my white gel pen, and that's it, all done. We have this cute Indiana Jane writing a presentation for school about the Stegosaurus, dreaming about traveling the world to make wonderful discoveries. She also has some fossils displayed in her room, and the kitty even has his own stuffed dino toy. I hope you like this new little scene. Don't forget to follow the link to my Instagram below the video to go check my post as well as all the amazing crafters in this hop. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!